Boarding students live a different life to most students. They live away from home for much of the year, in the care of school staff. As you would expect, parents rely on boarding houses to do some of the work they would do as parents. One of those responsibilities is helping with the boarders' financial education. The Australian Boarding Schools Association provides training to staff in boarding schools around Australia. One aspect of that training is financial education. ABSA's Duty of Care document includes the expectation that boarding schools will provide financial life skills learning for the boarders in their care. As a partner of ABSA, the Wealth Academy is developing courses that boarding houses can use to support that financial learning. This bundle includes some courses that boarding staff may wish to use with their boarders. These courses are intended as facilitator-led courses. That is, a boarding house supervisor would guide boarders through these courses. They don't need to be financial experts or even teachers. These courses are designed to give facilitators all the information they need to provide an interesting lesson in a safe financial learning environment. As you would expect, some of these resources include stories and opinions from boarding students and the parents of boarders. They are unique stories. The CEO of ABSA recently stated, "The future financial well-being of boarders should be invested in. It should not be a matter of chance." Together with ABSA, we hope you are prepared to invest in the financial learning of boarders at your school, or if you're a parent, at home on their return from school.